How to eat healthy when you're always in a rush. Most people think eating healthy means spending hours in the kitchen, but that's exactly why you end up grabbing a greasy burger at the drive-thru. You're busy, you're tired, and your stomach is growling. The problem isn't your lack of willpower, it's your lack of a plan. Think of your day like a game. If you don't set up the board, you're going to lose. Start by mastering the grab-and-go trifecta: a protein, a fiber, and a healthy fat. Keep raw nuts, beef jerky, or individual packs of nut butter in your bag or car. These don't spoil and keep your blood sugar steady so you don't crash by 3 p.m. If you're stuck at a gas station or an airport, ignore the candy aisle. Look for hard-boiled eggs, plain Greek yogurt, or a piece of fruit. Even a simple protein bar with under 10 grams of sugar is better than that mystery sandwich sitting under the heat lamp.